Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm working on a 2015 Nissan Altima. I'm gonna change AC vent. As you can see, it's all messed up. So I got the new vent right here. And this is how it come in one piece. Alright. So I'm gonna change that. So I need to take out the old one first. Got this from the dealer, and that's the part number right there. This one right here, that's the part number. It's here again, and let's get to it. So we're gonna need to remove this trim right here. Right here. Alright. Alright, so yeah, I was just thinking that to take this off, but then I got a different idea, so I'm gonna take this off instead. Alright, here is soft, so you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. You can go ahead and get a flathead screwdriver, put tape around here so you don't mess up your if it's your first time, you don't want to mess up your trim piece, so put tape around it to get it so it do not scratch. Alright, so you want to get in here, take your time, work your way up and out like that. Since we're not taking out the radio, we're just taking off the top part. You don't need to take out the whole thing, so I just think about that, and this is how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna get both these up here like that, and they're gonna give you access to that 2 Phillips screw. You have one right here, another one right here. Alright, so I got a light right here, so you can see that 1 Phillips screw right there, another one is over here. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna take out. No, it's not really showing on the phone, it's not really showing on the camera, but as long as you see what I'm doing, and as long as you know what I'm doing, and when you get there you see what I was talking about, you will be able to fix it like that. Alright, got them out. Now I'm gonna pull on the side like that, and it will come up. And you want to come right here, squeeze this right here, and pull down, unplug it, do the same thing, squeeze this clip right here, and unplug it. Get that out the way, get this out the way. This is what I was telling you to squeeze, in case you didn't see it good right here. Squeeze it, pull on it. Yeah, squeeze this right here, pull on it. And that's how you take out the vent without taking down the whole dash. Alright? And get your new vent. And plug them in. You can't mix up the plug because it's 2 different patterns of plugs. Alright, so just plug them in. Alright, so as you can see, I got both of my plugs plugged in. Just want to line it up properly. Once you line it up, it will go right in like that. So you don't need no gap at the top, no gap at the bottom. Your vents is good, they move in all directions. You need to put this back, so you want to bring it this, and alright. So you want to get this right here and bend it down like this, put it in that hole right there, and it will go in just like that. Then you push on it or tap it a little bit, snap right into place. Same thing right here, you get this, you bend this down, put it back in the hole. That's it, guys. That's how you change your center AC vent on a Nissan Altima. Thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. And you want to check your forward flash, make sure it works. So that worked. Alright guys, peace out. See you next time.